What up? So today's episode is 3D printed keychains from GenkiPrints. As you can see, they're mostly anime, sneaker, Pokemon, etc. But I'm gonna show you just close-ups of which ones are my favorites and which one looks cool. But yeah, you can see their inventory. But this is the cute little Bulbasaur. This is like one of my top 5s, which is really cool. This is a Bulbasaur. You got a little Pikachu, or like a Pika, or like the small evolution of Pikachu. This can also be a keychain, and I think they do have magnets too, which is pretty cool. Of both, upon request, I think. We got Flareon. So it's great as gifts. I don't know what this is. I've seen it around. It's like Hello Kitty, I think. Got this bad boy. We got some One Piece. Another Pokemon. You guys know what it is? Another Pikachu. And then if you guys want to check out GenkiPrints Instagram or TikTok or the Etsy page, I'll link at the very bottom of the video for you. But this is all the collections I have for them from them. Yeah. And for my sneakerheads, we got the blue Nikes. Another One Piece. This can be a magnet as well, as you can see. Pretty cool. Or it could be a keychain, whatever you want to do. But this is the look of it. I forgot what this is. Kiki's delivery service, I think. It's been so long. I haven't seen any of these in forever. That little fat cat. I don't know where this is from, but this is pretty cool. Got from my cat lovers. Another kitty. Oh, and then the one and only Totoro. Brings back memories. We got another Pikachu. Got Flareon, I believe. I don't know what this is. I totally forgot. Is it? I think this is One Piece as well. And all my Goku, Dragon Ball Z fans, this is badass. Red Nike. Hello Kitty. Another Hello Kitty. This is pretty cute. Got Zoro for One Piece. But yeah, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. This is all from GenkiPrints. Please let me know what you guys like, and please subscribe to this video. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.